Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In today's lecture, we will learn about dictionary. Dictionary is a versatile data structure in Python. It works similar to English or any type of dictionary that we use in our daily life. Any dictionary have two things, their words and their associated meaning. Similarly, the Python dictionary also have two elements, the key and their associated value. So, Python dictionary is a collection of data item which is composed of key value pair. Here, key is nothing but just a unique identifier of the value. Then, dictionary is unordered and mutable. Unordered means you can access the elements through the key only. Means you cannot access the element as per the specific order. And then it is mutable because we can change the values of the key according to our requirement. So dictionary is mutable and unordered. Now the dictionary is defined by using the curly braces. So let's see the dictionary's definition, how to create the dictionary and how to access the elements using the program. Suppose we have to create a dictionary of food item. So in this, food item is the dictionary, then equal to, then we define the dictionary in curly braces, and in curly braces we use key value pair. So fruit is a key and mango is its value. Now they are separated with colon. So key value is separated with colon. Then item is separated by comma. So then second item is veg is the key and potato is its value. Then the third one is cereal is the key and wheat is the value. And fourth element is pulse is a key and green gram is the value. Now we will print the dictionary elements by writing simple dictionary name. So in this we will write food item, then press enter. So it will display the dictionary. Then we can also use print function for printing all the elements of the dictionary. So we will write print, then food item will be passed as an argument. So the output is this dictionary. Now dictionary is mutable. So we can change the value of any key, but we cannot change the keys. So in this we want to suppose change the vegetables value as ladyfinger. So we will write food item of veg equal to ladyfinger. Then we will print food item. Now in this the veg value is changed by the ladyfinger. Then we also know that dictionary is unordered, means we cannot access elements as per specific order. The only way to access a value is through the key. For example, we want to access the value of cereal. So we will write food item of cereal, then it will produce the result as wheat. Now, if we want to print the keys of the dictionary, so we have to use the keys function. So we will write dictionary name, which is food item dot keys function. So it will give the result all the keys: fruit, veg, cereal and pulses. Now if we want to access the values of the keys, then we use the function values. So we will write food item dot values. So it will give the result as mango, ladyfinger, wheat and green gram. Now we can also traversing dictionary through the loop. So here we are using for loop. So we will write for key in food item colon, then we will print key and values of the key and press the enter. So the result is all the keys with their values. So this is the basics of dictionary. And the conclusion is dictionary is mutable and unordered data type with elements in the form of key value pair. Thank you.